to where the last ember glows. Where the last ember glows, I will guard it from the cold. In the dark where hope grows thin, I'll keep the light you hold through the storm and drifting stone. When all the fires seem closed, I'll wait for dawn. I'll stay with you where the last ember glows. The world has burned its promises, left scars upon the land, but still the hearth remembers us, the warmth of hand in hand, in every breath of dying flame. A silent vow is sown that love survives the longest night and claims the fire as home. Where the last ember glows, I will guard it from the cold. In the dark where hope grows thin, I'll keep the light you hold through the storm and drifting stone. When all the fires seem closed, I'll wait for dawn. I'll stay with you where the last ember glows. If the stars should lose their way and the moon forget to rise, I'll breathe life into fading red till warmth returns to sky and I. Where the last ember glows, in the quiet, in the low, from a spark a sunrise grows. I believe I know when the night releases hold and the new light softly shows.